This movie is a quick reminder of how to do the Google Sheets pixel art project. If you need to turn this in, if you are working on Monday and you need to turn it in, you're going to have to go back to week 6 Friday and turn it in there. All right. Now on this Monday material that I have posted on Google Classroom, if you drop that down, I do have the handout, the help page there that has all the steps, but I'm quickly going to remind you of how this works in case you need it. You'll have to start with an untitled sheet, just a new sheet. You can name it up here. You can come up and say pixel art, and I'll just say pixel art demo. All right, first thing is click in the little box on the top left-hand corner and then try to make your boxes as square as you can and make them whatever size you feel like you want to. All right, they could be bigger or smaller or whatever, but square is going to work better for this assignment. So try to square them up a little bit and make them as square as you can. All right, cool. Now you need to make rules. You need to make conditional rules so that when you plug a number into a cell, it will change the color of that cell. And it's very important to make sure that you click on this box on the top left to make sure that all of the spreadsheet, all the columns and all the rows are selected. Very important. Those need to be all selected when you make your rules. So I'm going to click in that box on the top left side right there by A and 1, and then I'm going to go to Format and Conditional Formatting. Now way over here on the right hand side, the Conditional Formatting tab opens up. And this is apply to range. This is the important part. I want the range to be A1:Z1000. That's what it needs to say on all of your rules. The rules are going to work like this. If is equal to, if the format cells is, format rules, format cells if is equal to 1, I'm just going to start with color number 1. And you pick a fill color. Like in my example, I'm just going to use some black and some yellow. So if I type a 1 into a cell, I want it to fill with black, and I'll click done. Now I'm going to add another rule. I'll come right here, I'll add another rule, and again notice it says A1:Z1000. That's what I want. It's perfect. Don't go out here and click on some cell and then try to make another rule. You want this to say A1:Z1000. All right, is equal to, and I'm just going to plug a 2 here. This is going to be color number 2 for me, and I'm going to have it fill with yellow. And I'll click done. In this little demo, I'm only going to use 2 colors. You might need more colors than that. So for every color that you're going to use, you need a rule. Color number 1, color number 2, color number 3, color number 4, however many colors you need. Remember that you can do a Google image search for spreadsheet pixel art and get a bunch of ideas. And if you dream up something on your own, that's great. Do a house, do a Christmas tree, do a smiley face if you want to. But there's lots of ideas out there that you could try. All right, back to here. Now that my rules are made, I can go ahead and just click in any cell. And if I come along here and I say, I put in a 1, and I press an arrow key or the enter key, then those are going to fill in with that color. All right, so real quickly here, I'm going to try to build a little thing, and it's just going to be a simple smiley face, and it's not going to be great because I'm trying to do something fast here. I don't want to take a lot of time in this reminder demo. And we'll go 1, oops, put that in the wrong place actually, so I'm going to delete that out. 1, 1, 1, 1. Mine's going to be really small. You should make yours bigger than what I'm making mine. I'm trying to hurry. I'm trying to do something fast here so that I can just give you the idea. All right, so I'm just going around, I'm plugging in the number 1, and every time I plug in the number 1, the cell gets filled with black. All right, now I'm going to plug in some 2s, and so it's going to fill with yellow. And we talked in our previous lesson, we talked about how if you want to, you can put a 2 in there and then carefully grab the duplication handle and drag it, and that works. And I could even select this whole little set of 2s right here and grab the duplication handle and do that. And then down here, I'll just real quickly 2, 2, 2, 2. All right. Now, I'm trying to make a little smiley face, and so I don't have my eyes in here yet, so I'll go back and stick a 1 here, and I'll stick a 1 here, and it's not really going to look all that great. It's not really smiling, but it's a face, right? So you're starting to get the idea, I hope. You plug in the numbers, you press an arrow key or the enter key, and it fills with those numbers according to or fills with those colors according to the rules that you made over here on the Conditional Format Rules panel. Now, a couple of things. If you wish, you can, I'm going to click in the top left corner again, and I'm going to come back over here to my rule for the 2's. I'm going to click on it, and this might look a little bit better if I made the 2's disappear, the actual numbers. So all that would be is setting the text color to yellow, just like the background, and click done. And those 2's disappear. Another option that you have, but you don't have to do this, is to go click on the View menu and click on the little check mark that says Grid Lines, and that turns off the grid lines on your spreadsheet, and you might like the way your pixel art looks better without the grid lines, but that is up to you. If you want the grid lines back, you just go to the View menu and you click Grid Lines again. So that's the idea of the pixel art spreadsheet conditional formatting project in case you need a reminder. Make sure when you get yours done, you turn it in. This reminder is over. See you later.